Okay, so pustahan. We are at hole number 5. Napag-usapan namin ni Jericho kapag naglalaro yung Jordan 1 mo. Low, courtesy of Soul Contractor and Lace for Less. Ayan. So, ito ang deal. Ang mananalo sa hole na to, pag nanalo siya, bibilin ko ng SRP, which is 7,800? 95 plus 1,500. So, SRP plus 1,500. Kapag ako nanalo dito sa hole na to, makuha ko siya ng retail, tapos 6 months to pay pa.
Imbis na ano lang, plus 500 lang. Nag-up and down lang.
Oo, ganun ang laban dito. Alright? So, check natin kung sino mananalo. And hopefully, makakuha tayo ng mocha for retail. Shake on it. Good luck, good luck. Let's go. Nagalit. Uy! Nag-bounce back. Ay!
Yun! Tanita na bumalik sa fairway.
Lucky shot. Bad trip lang eh. Ang ganda na sana nung kanina eh.
Takat? Man.
Alright, so pares kami playing par ni Jericho. Tapos si CJ play.
Bitin!
Short. O manalo. J1 low. Retail. 6 months to pay. Thank you, bro.
Hindi pa tapos.
Okay, okay. Playing for bogey. 4th stroke na to. Ganda. Almost there. Ay, short pa.
Ayaw na wala sir.
6 shot, playing 6. Okay. 6, tapos ako.
Pag nag-tie yan, next hole tayo.
Oo, pag nag-tie.
Sana mag-tie.
Ito, playing 5.
Ay!
Yes!
Sayang!
Yes!
Sayang!
Yes!
Kala ko lalabas pa.
Thank you, bro. Alright. Done deal. Done deal. Another watch, another day. Ay, hindi pala, hindi pala.
Kala ko lalabas pa.
Kala mo choke pa eh. Alright guys, so what is up? Welcome back to another episode of the vlog. And of course, I know medyo matagal akong di nakapag-vlog kasi alam nyo naman, kakatapos lang ng City Clark Sneaker Expo 2 that happened sa SMX Convention Center. If you haven't seen yung video na ginawa ko about that or kung di ka nakapunta, I'll make sure to put the link on the description or on top of the screen dito or dito. Go ahead and check it out. And basically guys, wala tayo sa maayos na setup ngayon. Unlike kapag usual na unboxing natin, meron tayong table, doon natin hinahapag lahat ng mga pinagbibili natin. Doon tayo nag-unbox, nagre-review, and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, right now medyo makalat dito sa aking studio kasi meron tayong bagong work computer setup dito plus yung aking editing. So, nagamit ang ating table. So, pasensya na. Okay, so nakita mo naman kanina ko ni i-unbox talaga natin. Ang pinaka-main unboxing talaga natin for today's vlog. Pero bago natin buksan yun, meron akong mga napamili sa City Clark Sneaker Expo 2 at lahat yun ay bubuksan natin. Shout out din natin lahat ng mga nagbigay ng items sa atin. So, yun, meron tayong shopping bag. In fairness, ang tagal kong hindi nag-unboxing, guys. Ang tagal kong hindi gumawa ng vlog. So, sa mga merchants natin, kasi meron sila mga printed shirts nila. And a huge shoutout kay Sneaker Nexus. Ayan, so binigyan niya tayo ng kanyang shirt. Actually, social pa yung sa kanya kasi Uniqlo ang gamit niyang tela. Tapos pinrintan niya ng Sneaker Nexus. So guys, sa mga naghahanap ng mga Yeezys, napakadaming Yeezys ni Sneaker Nexus for sure. Sneaker Nexus, maraming salamat, Boss Kim. Another shirt from Soul Hanger. Ayan, paano ba buksan to? Soul Hanger. So, sa mga merchants natin dyan, ayan siya. And then meron din siyang parang QR scan to code dito sa likod. Leave the sneaker searching to us. We got you covered, Soul Hanger. Huge shoutout sa inyo, Soul Hanger. Thanks for the shirt. Mark Premium Socks. Eto, meron tayong mga crew socks na white And meron tayong libreng Gatorade. Binigyan niya ng Gatorade na socks. And in fairness naman sa kanila, makapal. This one is galing sa booth ni Tindero Lit Thrift. Pero ayan, shouts to you bro. Thank you so much for the polo. Ito yung mga parang crop top. Ganun, mga crop top na polo na medyo floral. Siyempre dahil nag-thrift tayo, nakuha ko to kay Gab Thrift Shop. Ayan, Gab Thrift Shop. Nakakuha tayo ng Beastie Boys na vintage shirt. Ayan, sir. Let's go, Beastie Boys. It's a concert tee, 1995. Or tour tee. Ayan, andyan yung mga ano niya. Actually, kaya kinuha ko siya, aside sa vintage siya, kasi meron siyang backprint na maganda and purple. So, ito na-score ko to. Di ko alam magkano ko na-score to eh. Parang 400 yata. To each his own, boss. Thank you so much. Ito, actually, binili ko to. So, to each his own na t-shirt. Actually, Manila Sneaker Expo pa lang nakita ko na yung t-shirt na to at sobrang gusto ko to. Yun nga lang, I only have budget to buy one shirt that time, so pinili ko yung creative department. This time around, ito, may kasama siyang tote bag, may kasama siyang tote bag na Teho or to each his own. And then ito siya, Vaping Ape. Let's go. It's the Vaping Ape, yo. I like the shirt, bro. Tapos medyo brownish pa siya ng konti, so bagay ito sa i-unbox natin na sneaker mamaya. At syempre naman, don't forget, eto meron kaming in-start na clothing brand. Ang tawag nito ay Mind Your Own Business. Eto yan, Mind Your Own Business. Ayan siya. It's a shirt. It's a collaboration between us and Sir Carlo Ople, Rai Ikatar. Off Unbox, I mean. So ayan siya, meron tayong shirt. It says A Quiet Life. Ayan. So actual picture na nakuhanan to sa Bataan. And it says A Quiet Life para sa mga gusto na ng mga chill moves. This one sells for 799 pesos. Ayan. And available to sa akin. Available to kay Unbox. Actually, magpapadala kami ng mga shirts kay Unbox for it to be sold there. If you're in the Manila area, so pwede kayong bumili sa kanila. If you're from Pampanga, I will be selling some. Soul Contractor will be selling some. And lalagay ko pa sa baba kung saan ko sila i-distribute. So we have limited pieces lang sila. And dumating lang sila one day before the event, kung di ako nagkakamali. So, we had no time to advertise. Pero look at that, bro. Ang ganda ng print sa likod. Basically, this is our first release. Mind Your Own Business. And of course, last but not the least, t-shirt na Secret Fresh. Actually, buti na lang talaga. Napangkuha niya ako ng napagtabi nila ako nito kasi medyo paubos na. So, this is triple collaboration tong t-shirt na to. Oh my goodness, ang ganda ng t-shirt. Ayan. So, this one is Sneaks of Nature. Ayan. Sneaker Expo collaboration. Sneaker Expo and Secret Fresh. Ayan siya. I love this shirt. Buti nakakuha pa ako ng XL. Siyempre nakaka-proud. Meron kang collaboration with Sneaks of Nature and Secret Fresh sa kanilang t-shirt. Ayan, ganda. Ngayon naman, ito. Unbox ko lang mabilis to. So, tinawagan tayo ni Foot Locker. Huge shout out to Foot Locker Philippines. Napansin nila ang video natin, guys. Napansin nila yung nag 1 million views na sa Facebook Reel. So, napansin nila and finally, nahanap nila ako through a friend. Shouts kay Boss Lawrence Tan of It's All Good for hooking me up as well. So, ayan. Meron tayong naging deal with Foot Locker and that's why gumawa ako ng reel nung last few days nila. And meron siyang kapalit na sneaker. Very quick lang. This is the Nike Air Max 1 White University Red. Actually, this is what they call Chili 2.0. Ayan siya. Ito nakuha natin, Chili 2.0. Very wearable na colorway. Black, white, and red. You'll never go wrong with classic Nike silhouettes such as this one. And of course, huge shout out kay Foot Locker sa opportunity and sana magkaroon pa tayo ng collaboration in the future. Okay. Eto na, last but not the least, guys. Eto na ang pinagpustahan. Huge shoutout kay Soul Contractor and kay Lace for Less. Ayan. So, ito yung nakuha nating deal sa kanila. This one, finally, this one is the Air Jordan 1 Low Mocha. And definitely one of those sneakers na medyo naging sleeper din, I guess. Kasi medyo marami siyang supply. And at the same time, right now, Jordan 1s ain't doing well compared nung 2020, 2019. So, medyo bumaba na yung hype dito. But it's all good in the hood, bro. Especially kung collector ka naman talaga ng mga Jordan 1s or talagang gusto mo silang gamitin. So, you can actually find them for probably 1,000 pesos, 1,500 over retail. In terms of projection, kung tataas itong mga to, I'm not sure. Look at that box. We have a black and brown box. Actually, nilace ko na sila. Ayan siya. So, this one, ito. Actually, it does not come with white laces. Ang meron lang nito ay black lace. Pinalitan ko lang siya ng kanina. Sobrang excited ko talaga nung nakuha ko to. Pinalitan ko na kagad ng white lace. And meron akong nagkataon na brown laces. So, ayan, napakaganda niya, guys. This one only comes with black laces. So, kung gusto mo ng hanap ka na lang. Marami naman nagbebenta ng mga laces dyan. Pero I do think it really looks good with white, to be honest. And then, kung syempre, kung gusto mo medyo ng konti, ayan, hanap ka ng brown na lace na medyo match sa pagka-brown niya. It's really good. In terms of quality, craftsmanship, sa akin, wala naman ako nakikitang problems except yung sa suede niya dito sa likod. Hit and miss talaga kapag suede sa Jordan brand. Especially kapag general release kagaya ng mga to. Kasi talagang, for example, yung nakuha ko yung Palomino, medyo may mga scratches siya. But you know, it is what it is. Ganun talaga. I mean, you can't really complain kasi talagang it's a general release. Hindi naman siya like yung limited to 100, 200 para sobrang perfect niya. So, ganun talaga when it comes to manufacturing, when it comes to general produced pairs. Talagang, you can't really expect a 100% perfection sa sneaker. Although, syempre, valid point din. Binayaran ko ng full retail pero nakuha ko may defect and so on. Pero, definitely guys, it is what it is. Tanggapin na lang natin. Up to you. Gusto mong papalit. Good luck kung makahanap ka ng kapalit. Pero definitely marami pa naman nagbebenta nito right now sa online. Pero to be honest, again, kung ito nag-release to ng 2020 or 2021, definitely resale price ito mag-skyrocket talaga. That is 100% sure. Especially mga tao from Jordan 1 highs, mas nagugustuhan nila yung glows. And then, kinuha mo pa yung mocha na colorway. So, definitely, banger to. Supposedly, skyrocket yung presyo niya. But, again, we're not just about the value of the sneaker. We wanna wear the sneaker. Ang ganda kasi nyo. Pero let me know, ikaw ba? Gusto mo pa ba itong mga to? Kahit wala na silang hype, gusto mo pa rin ba yung mga Jordan 1s ngayon? Nagsusuot ka pa rin ba ng Jordan 1s? Kahit comfy era na tayo, o naka-on cloud ka na rin ngayon? Let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, kung gusto mo na full review nito, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Actually, medyo humina akong gumawa ng sneaker reviews kasi medyo mas marami tayong nakuhang views from other stuff than yung review. Kasi kung review marami, ito hindi pa man ito nare-release, meron nang nagre-review sa America nito. So, and then ako, makakuha lang ako nito pag nag-release siya dito and probably a few weeks, months pa after ng release. So, it doesn't really help the situation. Pero definitely, we'll probably go back to doing sneaker reviews in the future. Pero for now, I'll just have to catch up with yung mga reels natin sa Facebook. We're getting more traction on Facebook. But of course, I love you guys. Mahal na mahal ko kayo dito sa YouTube. Yung mga OG subscribers natin from day 1, from 2018 na nagsimula tayo dito sa sneaker YouTube. So, thank you so much. So, yan. Dami natin na pamili from City Clark Sneaker Expo. And again, kung hindi ka nakapunta, sayang, ba't di ka nagpunta? Libre lang. And also, let me know kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong pagpustahan namin nila Jericho. Kumbaga parang we're just trying to do something fun aside from just us playing. At least we're playing for something. And kumbaga parang something for fun lang. Something na para mas maging competitive tayo than yung normal lang na maglalaro tayo ng golf. Alright, so there you have it guys. Maraming salamat for checking on this video. Please go ahead and smash that like button here on the bottom of the screen. It does help out with algorithm and it helps the channel grow. Kung bago ka lang dito, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Follow me on all my socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok kasi nagpo-post din tayo ng mga reels. And that's it for now. Much love and I'll see you on the next one. Peace guys.